Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. I'm so excited to be sharing this huge craft haul. Tony over at Craft Purge sent me a message that she found a craft yard sale that was local. I wasn't able to get up there the first day, but I did make it up the second day. I could tell you I spent $75 on everything I'm about to show you. I think it was an amazing deal. This woman had so many amazing crafts and it was so much fun. We were there for, I don't know, at least 2 hours. It was so much fun, but let's dive into this haul. The first thing that I'm gonna show is the paper kits. These are all close to my heart. This is an Easter one and there is a second part to this somewhere, but this is an Easter kit. And we have a Christmas shaker kit. This is Jingle Joy, and there's stencils, papers, coordinating cardstock, project ideas. So these kits are pretty full. She had notes on them if like they were missing stuff, which doesn't matter because I break my stuff up and use for card making. This we have Comfort and Joy, and there's some extra, looks like some Project Life cards included with that one. And this is the other part to the Easter. It's called Honey Bunny. So cute. This was part of a kit. This is a Spooktacular. And then we have Best Friends. This is just a selection of glittered paper. We have a Christmas sticker sheet. We have the Jitterbug collection from Cosmo Cricket. We have the super fun from My Mind's Eye. It's from the old Blackbird collection. We have some miscellaneous paper. She said this goes to a kit, but she wasn't sure which one, so I just grabbed it. We have some leftovers from the Hello Pumpkin. This is Sweet Girl, and there's a lot of goodies in this one. I'll be able to make a ton of cards using this one. This is Smitten, and this is a huge collection. She had the papers, all the embellishments, plus coordinating cardstock for all of these kits, which was amazing. I picked up a lot of these kits. This is the Craft On, extra coordinating papers on the inside. We have 'Tis the Season, lots of goodies in that one. And this is Into the Wild. We have the original kit, plus she had extra papers and embellishments. And she had extras of the original papers as well as coordinating cardstock. Those are the amazing paper kits. And she had all of these empty Sizzix sleeves. I picked these up for the ones that I don't have sleeves. I'm gonna transfer them into here so my little dies don't fall out. It's a huge selection right there. We have some 6x6 Christmas paper, and she found some of this Halloween in her house when I was telling her how much I loved Halloween, so she pulled this one out for me. I love this for my Ghouls Just Want to Have Fun swap. I did pick up a couple of wood mounted. This is the fruit one. I just love everything fruit, so I did grab this one. And this set was really fun. This is all Christmas, but they're all to and from. This is a really great way to make fast and easy tags. And also I found another Stamp-A-Majig, and that is so you can line up the stamp and restamp it and have it stamp in the exact same spot. Grabbed those. And as far as regular stamps go, let's see. This is a Wonderful Winter. We have the snowman and it's just so cute. This is Family. These little babies, I guess they are just adorable. And these will cut out really good on my Scan and Cut. This is Sweet Life. I picked this up because of the cool fruit on there. And it had a lot of cool like fruit sentiments. This is the Solids, the Celebrations, and these are just the little ones with every holiday. We have the Pinwheel, and I did pick up a pinwheel die, so I think I can match this to that. Easter Bunny. These little bunnies are so cute, and these also will cut out really nice on my Scan and Cut. We have the Your Sweet, more fruit. This fairy set, as well as this one. And from Stamps of Life, we have the mouse. This is so adorable. I love the Stamps of Life font. It's so cute, and then it has the coordinating dies on the back. Love that. And we picked up Best Bud Bears. They're so fun, so cute, with the matching dies. There was some My Creative Time. I do have a few of her stamps. This is Color Me Happy, and these are the cute punny sayings. And then we have the Polka Dot Surprise, which are at birthday, which are super fun. And from Stampin' Up, I picked up a Halloween set. This one is called Halloween Bash. These are the red mounts ones. These are the Jolly Bingo Bits. These are so cute. And I actually picked up a bingo stamp at one of my last yard sales. This will work perfectly with that. Not that I would use it for bingo cards, but for decoration and card making. And this is Halloween Scares. So cute. I love Halloween stamps. And here is another wood mounted. This is Fruit Set, Tart and Tangy. These aren't mounted yet. Moving on to dies. I love these big Sizzix dies. This is the Popsicle one. And then this is the Giant Macaroon. This is so cool. I love how big it is. I picked up the tags. This is the mini envelope. It has the rounded corners, which is super cute. It's called the Petal Card. This is the Tim Holtz Reindeer. These are super cute. The Vintage Telephone. I love how nice and big this one is. And I don't know how I ended up with this one. It must have just ended up in the pile, but this is a Diva Crown. This is not something I would have normally picked up, but it ended up in there anyway. That's fine. I have a lot of stuff behind me because I'm on my floor in my hallway. This is close to my heart. These are some Project Life cards, and this is the holiday one, and this is the Love Us one. Those are cute. I do use these to make my cards. And we have a couple of more dies. This is the Sizzix Pinwheel die, and this one says Joy. We have the Love set that has the postage stamp, the heart, and the two loves. And then we also have the Christmas one, which has the mini Christmas tree, Santa, Joy, and the stocking. I wonder if I ended up with two Joys. I may have. We have this little cherry one and these cherry clips. These are so stinking cute. I'm in a fruit swap coming up, so probably incorporate these into that. We have a Hello Kitty, the beach ball, and the bucket. These are so cute. Some sprinkles for Christmas. This is very cherry, and some googly eyes. And for some Halloween, she had one sheet of Halloween paper, and she had these bags of miscellaneous Halloween die cuts. So I just grabbed all the ones that were Halloween. She had some black bling, some Halloween flowers, some witches and moons, some trees, some bling, clips, and some sequin. And these Halloween ribbons, the spider webs, the spider, very fun. I love all things Halloween. Move that to the side. Couple of packs of ribbon. I believe I have these two colors. I just love them so much. They're so pretty. And this one has a little bit of a crinkle look to it, so picked those up. I grabbed a card base and envelope set. There's 50 in here. And this is one of the magnetic shims for the Cuttlebug, so the die doesn't slip around. We have a aqua pen. I use mine of this all the time. We have this huge bag. These are stickles, which is great. I have a huge collection of stickles, so I will be sorting these and putting them with my current stash. And she also had a bag of liquid pearls. Loved all of those. Okay, and these are all pre-packaged Project Life cards, and these are like the library ones. These I think will make great addition to my junk journaling kits, as well as sharing in Happy Mail. So I picked up a huge stack of those and a huge stack. This is a mix of fruit, holiday, stars, lines, and more of the library pocket. I could not pass these up. These are the Christmas ones. Such a great variety, and these have so many uses. I told her that I host craft meetups, and I'm having one this upcoming weekend. So she donated this huge stack of alpha stamps. So everyone, actually I have one that's out. Everyone that comes to my crop this weekend will be receiving a free set of stamps, and they're super cute, great font. So yay, thank you for that. Everybody will get one of these, and that's gonna be a fun surprise. And the last couple of miscellaneous things, we have a bag of clear buttons, some white flowers, graduation stickers, these sets of big giant brads, and I think I have a paper pad that matches these. K & Company brads. These are some butterflies, mini flowers, some baby stickers, some pearls, and a couple of set of butterflies. And guys, all of that, I'm gonna do a quick span. Oops, here's another butterfly. And this basket that a lot of it fit in. We have the stamps for my craft meetup. And all of these goodies. And all of that was $75. What a fun, exciting haul. I will post where she posts on Facebook if anyone is local in Arizona and would like to be notified of her next meetup. I'll put her information in the description box below. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.